Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily send a customer statement in Xero. So what you want to do is click business and sales overview. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see all the invoices and you want to click here on send statements. When you're gonna do it, you just want to click on like which one you want, like activity or outstanding. It's like really up to you. And click update. And click who you want to send it to and click email. And here you want to simply send statement. Then you just click send here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.